Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I've shared my screen, visible to all of you. It's a blank screen at the moment. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see an image. Okay. So today we are going to see all about mark price, selling price, list price, discount, sales tax, also called VAT. Let me just write the keywords. Marked price, list price. I'll tell you the difference between marked price and list price. Selling price, also called sale price. Sale price, discount, discount percentage, sales tax, also called VAT, percentage of sales tax. So sales tax as a percentage. This one is in rupees. Sales tax, VAT in rupees, sales tax and VAT as a percentage. VAT percentage. VAT is value added tax. Value added tax. And now we commonly see GST, which is goods and services tax. GST is goods and services tax. VAT is value added tax. Okay. Yeah. So mark price, list price, selling price, sale price, discount, discount percentage, sales tax percentage, VAT percentage. Okay. So now what is mark price? Now, when you visit, a garment shop to purchase a ready-made garment, say you want to buy a shirt for yourself. So you visit a shop, it's a branded showroom. So need not be branded, but I'm just saying so so you pick a shirt for yourself. Okay, so you pick a shirt and you can see a tag on the shirt. You can see a tag. That's how we buy, no? Because we'll have a budget. So you're not going to pick any shirt you like. So you have a budget for your shopping. That's a wise thing to do. You need to know how much you can spend on a shirt. So you need to fix your budget. So maybe you're looking for a shirt between 1,000 and 1,500 rupees, or 1,500 and 2,000, or maybe max 3,000 you can spend for a shirt. So you have some limitation like that. So you the shopkeeper, the salesperson there, he shows you variety of shirts. And every shirt you will look at a tag, right? So because you want to know the price, you check the tag for the price of the shirt. So the price that is on this tag is called the marked price, because it's already marked there, no? It's already marked. Something is marked there, which indicates the price of that shirt. So this tag, which bears the price of this shirt, is called the marked price of the shirt. And that need not be always the final price you will be paying. So if you see the shirt, supposing it is marked at 1,200 rupees. So it's not that you will be paying a final price of 1,200. So there is this tax which will be added to the mark price. There'll be tax which is added to the mark price. And then you pay that final bill is called the sale price or the selling price. But supposing the store, it's, say some Diwali sale or some year-end sale, the shop may also announce a discount. Discount normally is not round the year. So on special occasions, during times of festival, or, there's something called clearance sale also. Old stocks are piled up in the showroom, clearance sale. Okay, so old stocks, a lot of old stocks are piled up. They're good clothes, but they've not been sold in the outlet for a long time. It's just lying, and the new patterns have come up. So the store has to now, purchase the new patterns because people are very trendy. You always want the latest one for you, right? So the shop also he has to he has to now give away all the old patterns, old stock, and replace them with newer items. So what will he do? He cannot just keep that aside in the shop. It'll be a loss for him. So he has to somehow sell and make money. But people are not ready to buy because that is old fashioned, old stock. This pattern I already have. I don't want this. So they'll attract customers with a board outside their store which says clearance sale. Clearance sale. So, like the shop is telling us that, we are giving away our old stock at maybe half the price. So, if the shirt is 1,200, you can take it for 600. So, that way we are attracted, no? Something which is usually 1,200 rupees, if it's available for 600, then what happens? The price becomes important for you, not the pattern. You're like, it's okay. So, what pattern? Pattern keeps coming and going. So, the way we look at something will change. When something changes, otherwise, we'll say, why for 1,200, why buy an old pattern? As well, I buy a new one. But when he says the same article, which is the same shirt, which is 200, is now available for 600 rupees or 500 rupees because they're clearing up their stock so that they can purchase new, stock. So then you forget it's an old pattern and all that. You are getting the same thing, which with something with 1,200 is now available for 600. You're excited. So you go to the shop and you want to buy because you can increase the collection of your shirts. So that's how they change, these uh, labels like discounts, clearance sale is to, change the attitude of the customers. So when you look at that, you just drop into the shop and you'll pick more than what you want. You don't actually, maybe you don't need also, or maybe you just need two. But because it is clearance sale, because you're getting it for lesser price, you will just pick everything. Oh, usually, otherwise it is going to be 1,200. Now I'm going to get it for less. So why not? Let me pick 4, 5. So that's what happens. That's how customers react to a clearance sale. Okay, there are rational ones also who buy only when needed. See, I don't need. He might even give it for free, but I don't need it now. So I'm not going to buy. So very few of us are very rational. We buy only when we need. If you don't need, you don't want to buy. So what if it's a clearance sale? Okay, so that thinking differs, but then most of us are attracted, and we just go and buy. So what I'm saying is, so at times of the year there is something called a discount offered. So some during clearance sale, it's a discount. It'll be the price will be slashed by 50%. 1,200 becomes 600 or 500 or even maybe 400. So that's a clearance sale where there's a big discount given. Otherwise, the discount is not so much. So there may be a discount of 10% on the mark price or 20% on the mark price. So the order is like this. The order is mark price. If there is a discount comes here. The discount percent comes here. Then when you apply the discount percent on the mark price, the value you get is called the sale price or the selling, not the sale price, the selling price. And if there now there is a tax, no, so there is tax. Tax is applied to the selling price. So here comes VAT or any form of tax comes here at this point. Now this tax is calculated on the selling price, and the final bill which you pay is called a sale price. This is the order. I'll tell you what is list price. So marked price. If there is discount is applied on the marked price. Discount is always applied on the mark price. So when you get a discount, the value of the price of the shirt reduces. Discount is the value will come down. So mark price, discount percentage is applied on the mark price. So you get a lesser value. Selling price will be less than the mark price because you got a discount now. Now on the selling price, tax will be applied. everything will be as a percentage. So that percentage will be applied on the selling price, VAT or GST or sales tax, whatever, will be applied on the selling price. That will increase the value of the selling price. When you apply discount, when you apply on the mark price minus the discount is the selling price. When you calculate the discount percentage on the mark price, how will you find the selling price? Selling price is mark price minus the discount value. When the shop is giving you discount, that means he's doing a favor for you. He's reducing the price of the article. So selling price is mark price minus the discount. But tax is no favor for you. You have to pay the government. So you will calculate this tax on the selling price. And how will you find the sale price? Selling price plus this tax, not minus. Selling price plus this tax will give you the final price, which is called the sale price. And this is what you will be paying at the cash counter. This is the money you will be paying at the cash counter. So selling prices, marked price minus the discount, because that's a favor the shopkeeper is doing for you. He's giving you for a lesser price. So marked price minus discount is selling price. Any form of tax is applied on the selling price. So the tax will be added to the selling price to arrive at your final bill, which is called the sale price of that article. So remember that tax is applied on the selling price, while discount is applied on the marked price. You cannot like exchange the way it is done. Discount percentage is always calculated on the marked price, while the tax is always calculated on the selling price. Now, the marked price and the selling price is the same when there is no discount. There is no discount. That means marked price is the selling price. If there is discount, yes, then marked price and selling price will be different in value. Now, what is list price? So list price, so now with online shopping, we have forgotten visiting stores. So if at all you have visited a store, maybe again during year-end sale or Diwali, or sometime during any festivity, mostly the stores dealing with household, articles like say consumer products like refrigerators, iron box, what else, oven, gas tops, stuff like that, televisions, DVD players and stuff like that. So you have different models, right? So in a television, when you take a television, you have 32 inches, 36 inches, so many varieties and so many models. And then there's this home theater oven also. You have so many models. You have with this, without that, with this and that. So many things. So there you will not find any sticker on the fridge or sticker on the television which says the mark price of the television. Like you find a tag on your shirt, tag on the shirt, you will not find any tag or a sticker on these products, on a television or on an oven or on a refrigerator. You will not see a sticker or a tag saying the price of that article. So you go to the showroom, you select the model you want. So you discuss with the salesperson as to the advantages and disadvantages of the different models. And finally, you decide on buying a particular, say, model of refrigerator or television. Then you want to know the price. You would have been checking on the prices regularly, but then you want to know the price of that item. What he will do, he'll take a list. He'll have a white paper. Okay, so on that he will have the prices of the different models. Television, the different models. These are the prices. And the price also, the prices will be like till November, there'll be the price will be something. Then November to December, some other price. So the prices will be for a particular period of time. So he'll have a list because he himself cannot remember that. Okay, the company would have given that to him. So if you're buying a Panasonic television, that company would have given him that list regarding the prices of the different models of their television. The Panasonic company will give the showroom people a list which will have the prices of the different models of television and what maximum discount he can give, and all that stuff will be in that paper. He'll have a paper with him. So he'll check against the model. So you have selected, say, whatever Sony television, whatever some model, some 80 inches, 90 inches. So he'll see Sony 80 inches. What is the price? So now it's November. Okay, so November price. What is the price for November? And he'll tell you that price. That is the list price. That is the list price, because he will check for the price. The shopkeeper checks for the price of the product you have selected using a list he has with him, given by the company. If it is a Sony product, the Sony company would have given their list showing the prices of different models of their television, of their whatever, article. That is called the list price. This is the difference between mark price and list price. So list price is not seen on the article. List price you will not see, but mark price you can see it on the article. So ready-made garments, you will see there's a tag and you can see the price, which is the mark price. But on a television, refrigerator and stuff like that, there is no price. So even if you buy a vehicle, so you want to buy a cycle, you will not see a tag on the cycle. So he will check with the list, which shows the price for that particular model. So that's the list price. So mark price, list price, it's the same meaning. The way it is different. Mark price is stuck on the you can find it on the article, while list price you cannot see it on the article. The shopkeeper has to tell you. The salesperson has to check the list and tell you. So that's why it's called a list price. Okay, now let's have a look at the formulae we'll be using to answer the questions. Mark price, discount percentage, selling price. Okay, now see here. Mark price. Supposing you want to find the mark price. Listen carefully. To find mark price, given selling price and discount percentage. Okay. You have to find, the situation is you have to find the mark price given the selling price and discount percentage. Children, I'm audible and my screen is visible to all of you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Okay. So if you have to find the mark price given the selling price and discount percentage, the formula is like this. Mark price is equal to, whenever it is mark price, write 100 in the numerator. 100 by 100 minus the discount percent into the selling price. It's a fraction into the selling price. See, if you have to find mark price, it will be into selling price. If you're finding selling price, it will be into mark price. A fraction into SP. Mark price is equal to, when you're finding mark price, always write 100 in the numerator. See, actually in our times, we never used formula. We have to work it in a different way. So formula, if you forget, but then it's taught in school now. Even if I try to explain, children only think it's a waste of time. And finally, you listen to everything and then you're going to use a formula and you'll forget the explanation I gave you. So actually, I'm not really for this, handling questions using a formula, but that's how it is now in schools. So I'm forced to do it like this. So how the formula is derived, there is a procedure. But again, children's minds are tuned now, that it's formula. Why explain the formula and spend time? So our minds are programmed by the way it is done in school. You've already seen it in school, and your teacher at school has handled this in a particular way. So you just want that. I'm not giving an excuse, but that's how it is. We are programmed. We just want the formula. You tell us how to remember the formula and when to use the formula. That's all. I need to get marks in my exam. Nobody's going to ask me for the explanation. So I'm just doing what we need, what the trend, what children today need. So mark price is equal to 100 in the numerator divided by 100 minus discount percent, because discount, not plus discount percent, okay, minus discount percent into selling price. Now, the next one is to find selling price given mark price and discount percentage. So selling price is equal to, just reverse this fraction, invert that fraction, put 100 in the denominator and 100 minus d% in the numerator, discount percent in the numerator. Discount percentage, not discount in rupees. If the discount is, if in the question the discount is in rupees, you cannot put that here. It's 100 minus d%, discount percentage. Just invert this fraction. So SP is equal to 100 minus d% by 100 into MP. Into MP. Now, we understand that the selling price will be the mark price. These are all different things, okay? So this is one thing, this is another thing. It depends. You have to use the formula depending on what information is given in the question. So selling price is mark price minus discount. Discount in rupees. Selling price is mark price minus the discount in rupees. So what is discount? Discount is the difference between the mark price and the selling price. Mark price will be more. If there is discount, the mark price is more. The selling price is less. The selling price is lesser than the mark price when there is a discount. So discount is definitely on the tag, it was 1,200. But the shopkeeper, you know the shopkeeper, so he's your friend, so he gives you a discount. He says, I know this person, give him for 20% less. So you get a discount. So your selling price, the price at which you buy, will be less than the mark price. So mark price is definitely more than the selling price. So mark price, the difference between the mark price and the selling price is the discount. Discount percentage. How do we find the discount percentage? Discount percentage is discount by marked price into 100. Always to, kindly listen to me. You will have your time to answer the questions. Now, this is my time where I have to introduce the formulae, explain. Then I'll put you with a set of questions where you can show your skill. Discount percentage. Whenever we are finding a percentage, it is into 100. Whenever you have to find a percentage, it is into 100. And what percentage you have to find? Discount percentage. So it will be discount in the numerator. And discount is always applied on the marked price. So discount by marked price. Discount is always applied on the marked price. So it is discount by marked price. Don't write selling price. To find a percentage, you should always multiply by 100. That is a rule. And if you're finding discount percentage, discount should be there in the numerator. And discount percentage is always applied on the marked price. So by MP. So discount by MP into 100. See, in some books, it will be given like this, D into 100 by MP. It's the same. But you please learn it like this. It's the same. D into 100 by MP. Here also, 100 into SP by 100 into SP by 100 minus D%. It's the same. 100 minus D% into MP by 100. I'm just writing everything as a fraction into something. Now, supposing a discount percent is given, okay, okay, so you're given D% and MP. Let me write to find, okay, to find discount in rupees, like I'm taking the Indian currency, Sometimes it's given in dollars or so whatever. If in the question the money is given in dollars, then in dollars it will be. So to find discount in rupees, because discount you can see it in two forms, as a percentage and in terms of rupees. You see discount in two forms, right? Discount will be rupees 50 discount, 50% discount. Both are different. 50 rupees discount is different from 50% discount. But for selling price, you don't have selling price percentage and selling price in rupees. Mark price is only in rupees. Selling price is in rupees. It has no other form. But discount has two forms. Discount in rupees, discount as a percentage. Similarly, all the taxes. Taxes you have in rupees and as a percentage. Sales tax in rupees, sales tax percentage. VAT in rupees, VAT as a percentage. GST in rupees and GST as a percentage. All these taxes and discounts, you can see them in two forms, in rupees and as a percentage. Okay, so if you have to find the discount in rupees, given discount percentage and the mark price. Okay. If you have to find the discount in rupees, given the discount percentage and the mark price, so discount in rupees will be it's applied on the mark price. It is the D% of the mark price. So the formula is discount by 100 into MP. That discount percentage, when I say discount into MP. For example, if mark price if mark price is say rupees 500 and the discount percentage is okay, so oh God, why am I thinking so much for the discount percent? I don't know. Say 20% discount. Okay, so to find discount in rupees. Now, why the situation? Because you are in a shop, the mark price is 500 rupees, and he says you will get 20% discount. So you're like, in a 20% discount na evlo varum? We don't know, right? 20% you cannot give in money. So you don't understand what is this 20% discount. So you want to know what the value is in rupees. That is what it is. That's what we're trying to decode here. Okay, mark price is 500, and he says discount percent is 20%. But we don't understand what is the 20% means, how much less. 20% discount, that means how much less. To understand that, you need to find discount in rupees. So discount in rupees will be 20% of the mark price. So let me write 500 straight away. 20% of rupees 500. This is how it's calculated. Discount percentage is always applied on the marked price. The marked price is 500 rupees and the discount percentage is 20%. So we don't understand. I don't understand. So how much less am I going to pay? I don't know. I want to understand that. So 20% means 20 by 100. 20% itself means 20 by 100. Percentage means by 100. Off means into. Off stands for multiplication. 500. So what is this? This is the formula. D% by 100 into MP. See, D%, 20% by 100 into MP. That's the formula. So now upon simplifying, you get rupees 100. Oh, now it's clear. Okay. So I'm getting 100 rupees less. Meaning I'm getting 100 rupees discount. So 500 is the price, but 20% discount means 100 rupees discount. So you're happy, 100 rupees discount. So you're paying 400 rupees. But when it is given as a percentage, we don't understand. So this is the need to find discount in rupees, because we don't understand when it's as a percentage. So to find discount in rupees, given discount percent and MP, it is discount percentage by 100. Percentage is always by 100 only. To find percentage here, to find percentage, you should multiply by 100. Some fraction. See, look at this formula and this formula. To find discount, this is discount in rupees. This is a discount in rupees. Whatever currency. Okay, discount percent, to find discount percentage, it will be, to find percentage, it is into 100. You can see here. Discount by MP into 100. To find discount in rupees, it is D% of the mark price. D% means D by 100. Whatever is a D%, that discount, 20% means 20 by 100. Into mark price. See the same things. You can see the same things here. Here it is into 100, here it is by 100. So similarly, sales tax. So this is about MPSP discount. Now, so now we are at the selling price, okay? And there is GST and all that. So you want to know, okay, finally, how much should I pay? Okay, so now we are here. Selling price, VAT or sales tax or GST, whatever. And finally, the sale price. Finally, the sale price. So if you're given, when you know the, so in a question, when you have both discount and VAT, okay, when you have both discount and VAT, you should first apply the discount on the mark price, find the selling price, and apply the tax percentage on the selling price, and then find the sale price. This is the order. Discount percentage applied on the mark price, find the value of the discount, mark price minus discount, you will get the selling price. Now you have the selling price. On the selling price, find the sales tax or whatever tax. Add it to the selling price. Tax will increase the value. So selling price plus the tax. Tax is calculated on the selling price, not the mark price. Discount is applied on the mark price, but any tax is applied on the selling price. That is, after the discount, you get a price, no selling price. Tax is applied only on that. MP, apply discount and find SP. Tax is applied on the selling price to arrive at the sale price. Don't apply tax on the mark price. Mark price and selling price is the same when there is no discount. When there's no discount. Okay. So if you have to find VAT in rupees, whatever tax, okay, I'll just write tax. Just say tax. So when you have to find the tax in rupees, it will be that percentage, tax, whatever percentage is given of selling price. So that is if you have to find six. To find tax in rupees, given tax percentage and selling price. Selling price this is. If it's sale price, I have written sale price. SP is not sale price, selling price. So tax in rupees is equal to whatever the percentage tax, whatever percentage should be applied on the selling price, tax that percentage of the selling price. So that means tax by 100 into SP. This will give you the tax in rupees. If you apply that percentage on the selling price. So the formula is whatever is a tax percentage, that one by 100 into SP, because percent means by 100 into SP will give you the tax in rupees. So now, how will you find the sale price? Sale price is equal to the selling price plus tax. Here, like, see, because there's minus, there's plus. Be very careful. Selling price plus the tax is a sale price. Sale price is selling price plus tax. So I think if you have questions like this, we'll take up. There is two more. Let me just check. Not load you with so much of formula. Just come back later. Yeah. So these images I'll put it on WhatsApp, children. You can complete this later. We'll start answering questions. Share the images and then continue. Okay. Now I'll just change the instruction I gave you. I've shared the images on WhatsApp. These three images where we have all the formulae. I've shared this on WhatsApp. So now you can just give the heading mark price, MP and discount. Or you can write MP, SP and MP discount and SP. You can give the heading. It comes under applications of percentages. And we are dealing with a subtopic, mark price, discount, selling price. Normally, the chapter is called mark price and discount. Okay. So please give this heading, write today's date. It's 17th. And write the date, write the name of the chapter, applications of percentages, subtopic, mark price, discount, selling price. Write out the contents of the three images I've shared on WhatsApp neatly, and then answer these questions. This you're going to do by yourself, and then we'll see the answers together. Is that fine, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others? Harini, Shrikant, Hasini, Sahasra, and Avnish. Okay. All right. Yes, children, get started. I'll get back to you in about 15 to 20 minutes. You need to write out the introduction and then answer these questions. Yeah, so I'll be back in about 20 minutes time. Don't try to reach out to me. I'll not be around. So don't try to ask me anything. I hope the introduction is clear. You can ask me if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Okay. So please follow the instructions correctly. Write out the introduction which I've shared on WhatsApp, and then answer these questions. You have to write the question, write the options, and then answer it. You have to copy the question. Yeah, please get started. If something is really urgent and you need to ask me, you can reach out on WhatsApp. You text me, you can send a voice note. That's not needed. I'm just telling you. Just in case you have to ask me something, you can post it on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, do we have to write the question?
Yeah, that's what I just announced. No, you should write the question and work the answer. You must write the question, you must write out all the 4 options and then answer it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. No more questions here. I'm just coming. Children, I'm back. If you're still working, please continue. I've also shared the image on WhatsApp. I'm just going to start answering these questions. As you're working, you can also check your answers. You cannot cancel the 100 and 100 here. 100 cannot get cancelled. Let's come back, children. Just a minute. Alternatively, for this one, you could have also used the formula. You can do it like this, or you could have used the formula. Sales tax in rupees is equal to sales tax percentage by 100 into the price of the scooter. Into price of the scooter. Same thing. After substituting, you will get the same thing. Instead of writing it like this, if you had written the formula, sales tax percentage, here we have no sales tax in rupees. Tax in rupees is equal to tax by 100 into SP. If you have to find the tax in rupees, it is the tax percentage by 100, tax percent of the SP. So it's a tax percent by 100 into SP. This formula, you could have also used this formula here. After substituting, you'll get the same thing. To find percentage, you should always multiply by 100. And discount is calculated on the marked price, not on the selling price. It's on the marked price. So by MP. A jacket was sold for. So that's a selling price, not marked price. See the word there. A jacket was sold for. So that's a selling price. So whenever we have to find the marked price, we put 100 in the numerator. 100 by 100 minus D% into SP of the jacket.
Ma'am, can you show the previous question final answer alone?
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Well, I'll just write it in more simple words. 1 minute. You can also do this using a formula. I'll tell you that also. I'll give you the formula also. So this is how we understand the situation given. Listen to this one. Like we have a formula to find MP and SP. I can also give you, you will not find it in the textbook, but I can also give you a formula to find the price before VAT and price after VAT. We can use a formula. So this is in the question here, the price after VAT was added. You can see you should find the original price of the washing machine. You have bought it for 13,500. You have purchased it for 13,500, including 8% VAT. That means 13,500 includes 8% VAT. That's the final price. That's the sale price. Sale final price. See, the question is the original price of a washing machine. You should find the original price of a washing machine, which was bought for. So you have purchased it for 13,500, which includes 8% VAT. So that's the sale price given to you. So what is the original price? So that means use these phrases. Price. Am I audible to all of you?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good. So we'll use these two phrases. Price after VAT, price before VAT. Price before VAT is the price before VAT percentage is added, and price after VAT is the price after the VAT percentage is added. That is the final sale price. So here that final sale price is given. Price after VAT is added is rupees 13,500, and the percentage of VAT is 8%. And you have to find the price before VAT was added. So see, this is the equation. This is the equation. Standard equation is price before VAT plus VAT is the price after VAT. Sensible, right? The price before VAT was added plus add the VAT will be the price after VAT. So this equation does not need any more explanation. Price before VAT plus VAT is equal to price after VAT. What's the price before VAT? That's what we have to find. We don't know X. Plus, how will you compute VAT? How do you find VAT? It's 8% of this price before VAT. It's 8% of the price before VAT. So 8% of X. When you add these two, what will you get? You'll get the price after VAT, but that is given 13,500. So solve this equation. X plus 8% means 8 by 100. Off is into, and X is equal to 13,500. You can simplify this fraction. It becomes 2 by 5, 2 by 25. So 2x by 25, and then LCM 25. Then 27 by 25 on the other side becomes 27 by 25 becomes 25 by 27, reciprocal on the other side. So the value of X is 12,500. So the price, the original price of the washing machine is 12,500 rupees. In the next session, I just want to solve the other questions. In the next session, I'll give you a formula also for this. Okay. We'll not spend time on that now. I'm sure all of you understood this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the equation. You have to substitute in this equation. That's all. Price before VAT, we don't know. So put X. Write this equation. Should write this equation. Price before VAT, don't know. So you can use any variable, X, Y, Z, any variable. Plus VAT. How do you find VAT? It's a percentage of X. 8% of X. When you add these two, you'll get the price after VAT. But that is given in the question, 13,500. We should just solve this equation and find the value of X, which is the price before VAT. Yeah. So see, we can do this together. Tell me. What is given? A TV set was bought for rupees 26,250, including 5% VAT. So is this the price after VAT or before VAT? Is 26,250 the price before VAT or after VAT?
After.
Price after VAT. Price after VAT is equal to, after VAT was added, the final sale price is rupees 26,250. And VAT percentage is equal to 5%. We have to find the price, original price, that is the price before VAT was added. So we'll now write the equation we know. Price before VAT plus VAT, value of VAT, okay, is equal to price after VAT. So price before VAT, don't know, we have to find. VAT is 5% of X is equal to the price after VAT, 26,250. So X plus 5% means 5 by 100 of multiplication X equals 26,250. One 20. So X plus 1 into X is X by 20. X by 20 is equal to 26,250. 20 is a common denominator. So you get 20X plus X is equal to 26,250. 21X by 20 is equal to 26,250. So X is equal to 26,250 into reciprocal 20 by 20.
20 by 21.
Correct. On the calculator, 26,250 into 20 divided by 21. 25,000. X is equal to rupees 25,000. Easy, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, children. Very good. Yeah, let's fill in the blanks here. I did not present, so I had presented, I think, questions only till here, 1 to 6. Yeah, only 1 to 6. I didn't explain the first one much because it was just using the formula, substituting the values in the formula. Second, I did tell you that you can use this formula or you can calculate like this. Third one is, again, I think I told you something about this formula. Yeah, this I explained. Okay, let's continue. Discount is equal to discount percent of,
MP.
that is, discount is calculated on the marked price.
Yes, ma'am.
Discount is equal to dash minus SP.
MP.
The difference between the marked price and the selling price is the discount. Sales tax is tax percent of,
MP.
wrong.
Ma'am,
Sales tax. Sales
Yes,
tax is not
SP. SP.
MP, discount, selling price, tax, sale price. This is the order.
Ma'am, SP.
Yeah. Selling price. That is the price which is arrived after giving the discount. Mark price. Discount is applied. Selling price. On this, the tax is calculated. Here, this discount is subtracted. MP minus discount is SP. SP plus tax is a sale price. This is the flow chart. So sales tax is that tax percentage of the selling price. You write selling price fully. If you write SP, then if your teacher takes the sale price. So right here also, please write mark price fully. But MP has no other meaning. So in mathematics, so MP is mark price. No issues there, but you still write mark price. Right, mark. But here SP is given, so I think you can use MP here because here it is in short form. So we'll also use short form. Here we'll say mark price fully. Don't worry, MP mark price. There's no other meaning. But since we have sale price and selling price, it's better you write if it is selling price or sale price. The discount on an item for sale is calculated on the
Market price.
so always mark price only. Yeah. However, they twist and ask you, it is always on the mark price. So no doubt there. I'm sharing all the images on WhatsApp, children. Okay, next one. Yeah, I'll present the next one. You can do it by yourself. Yeah. I've shared the image on WhatsApp. Now, supposing you have this question that we have worked only till the sixth one, we have not done the fill in the blanks. You can use the image on WhatsApp and complete it, and then, oh yeah, we have everything here. The remaining questions are here. Yeah, so please complete. See, you finished till here, the sixth one. We're continuing. 7 to 10 we discussed. I want you to work from the 11th one. You can refer to the formula. We'll end the session at 9:45. 9:45 we'll end the session. Okay, I'll come back in 10 minutes. It's 9:25 now. I'll come back in 10 minutes. Work as much possible. Okay, please stop working. Check your answers. Rate of discount means the discount percentage. Rate means percentage. Rate of discount. Discount percentage is equal to, whenever we are finding a percentage, you have to multiply a fraction by 100. A fraction into 100. And that fraction will be, because you're finding discount percent, it is discount. By discount is always calculated on the mark price. So discount by MP into 100. 120 is a discount. By the mark price, the 800 into 100. 15 8s are 120. So 15%.
Correct, ma'am.
Okay, good. So here, I don't know if it is Amman or Amna, whatever. I'll just read it as Aman. Aman purchased a toy for rupees 660, including sales tax. So this is the final price, 660. And the rate of sales tax is 10%. What is the selling price of the toy? So we understood, no? This is the order. Selling price, sales tax, sale price. So selling prices without tax, sale prices with tax. No, you might have done it correctly, but just listen to me now. Please listen to me. Selling price, tax, sale price. What is selling price? Without tax. Selling price means the price without tax. Sale price is the price with tax. The sale price is 660 because that includes tax. How do we know 660 is a sale price? Because it's given, it includes tax. So that's a sale price. Then what is selling price? Selling price is the price before tax is added. So selling price is the price without tax. Sale price is the price with tax or after tax. So selling price plus tax is equal to sale price. That's the equation. So price, you can write it like this. See, price after tax. Price after tax is equal to rupees 660. Tax is equal to 10%, sales tax. Sales tax is percentage is equal to 10%. So you have to find the price, selling price meaning you should find the price before tax. This is what you have to find. Then the selling price of the toy is. See, Aman purchased it. Purchases, that's the final price. See the words there. Aman purchased a toy. He bought it for 660. That means it includes tax, no? Then what can they ask you to find? Find the price before the tax. That is what, find the selling price of the toy. What is the selling price? That is without tax. There cannot be any other question. If the price with tax is given to you, then they can only ask you to find the price without tax. There cannot be any other question. So what is our equation? Price before tax. That's why I didn't give a formula for this. This is the easiest way to answer the question. Price before tax plus tax is equal to price after tax. So what's the price before tax? We don't know. So let's say Y, Z. Normally we take X. What's the tax? It's 10% of X. It's always calculated on this price. 10% of X is equal to the price after tax, 660. So X plus 10 by 100 into X is equal to 660. So X plus 0, so this is X by 10 is equal to 660. Common denominator 10, 10x plus X is equal to 660. 11x by 10 is equal to 660. X is equal to 660. 11 by 10 becomes 10 by 11 on the other side. So 11 1 the 11 6 times is 600. Therefore, selling price of the toy is equal to rupees 600. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, children. All right, we have more questions on this topic. We'll continue in the next session from 11:30 to 2. 1 second, I'll just stop the recording. Yeah.